Welcome to drone programming. In this class, you'll not only learn how to program a drone, but you'll also learn how drones fly and how to repair broken drones so that they can fly again. We'll primarily focus on a block-based programming language called Blockly. Blockly can be used to make your drone fly up, down, left, and right, as well as change colors. We'll have a bunch of different challenges and competitions for you to do throughout the camp, after you learn the basics of programming. So raise your hand if you've ever programmed a drone before. Well, I can't actually see you, but I'm guessing not too many of you have raised your hands. So to start things out, we'll have you go through internet-based tutorials that'll teach you everything that you need to know about drone programming. The programming will only be as good as your drones though. So in addition to learning how to program, we'll also have some guides on how to troubleshoot your drones mechanically to make sure that they're flying correctly. When you finish this class, you'll be able to fix a broken drone and program it to fly however you want. If you have fun during this class and you'd like a drone of your own, ask your instructor about how you and your parents can buy one. Good luck and have fun during the camp.